In this video, we are going to make over this old jhoola and upgrade it into a beautiful and cozy one. And that too in a great budget. Stay tuned. Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel Decorate with Manas. How are you? Our homes are constantly evolving places and it needs constant maintenance too. Talking about maintenance, this is my jhoola, my swing, which I absolutely love. You guys must have seen this in my home tour video that I love sitting here and just having a cup of coffee and relaxing and enjoying the view right in front of it, which is a lake view. Now, it's been 3 years since I moved into my house and it's time for it to get a little bit of upgrade because I'll tell you some of the problems with it. This jhoola basically has two cushions. One is this back cushion, which is in excellent condition, and I actually love the color and patterns in it. It looks very mid-century modern chic, if I may. And then there is this seat, the cushion seat, which is fine. I used to love this design, but then because it's white, it's very hard to clean, and you can see like a lot of dirt is getting accumulated, and I can't dry clean it every time, so it's very hard to maintain. And over time it's kind of become hard also. The cushion is gone because I think the filling is cotton, so that's also another problem. So hence I thought maybe it's time to kind of give it a makeover, maybe have some new cushions and kind of make it comfy all over again. Time for some shopping. Now I looked for the sofa cushions online, and there were a lot of options in all the colors, but then the material, the main fabric was polyester, and while polyester would be an excellent fabric choice for an outdoor jhoola, my jhoola is indoors. For indoors, I think cotton is the best fabric. Also, I like the fact that these are modular, so if I'm lying down on the floor, I can just use this one as like a huge pillow, or if I'm doing a meditation on the ground, I can just take it, put it on the ground and use this for meditation. So it's very multi-purpose. So I thought maybe I will look for pieces that I can buy separately and assemble and make over this jhoola. So I looked on Amazon and luckily I could find everything. The first thing that I found was a red cushion for the base. The size, I measured the size, it's 16 inch by 16 inches and I got the same size. And the color I wanted this time was a deep dark red because it will not start looking dirty as quickly as this white one did. So it has gotten delivered. This is the seat cushion. And I just love this color. Look at this, it's so bright, it's so nice, and it is very lightweight and soft, so this would be perfect for the base of the sofa. The full cushion set had those side arms and neck piece also, so I wanted that kind of a cushion as well. So I looked on Amazon and I found these cute little cushions which are in the size 12 inches by 18 inches. So this is 1 feet by 1.5 feet, and I ordered 3 of these. So 2 for the side armrest and 1 for the neck rest. And I also ordered 3 of these pillows from the same brand. I will put all the links in the description, but because they're from the same brand, the size kind of matched each other as the size 12 inches by 18 inches. So the plan is to basically put 2 of these on both sides and 1 as the neck support, because then that will just complete the look and make it super duper comfy. Time to set it up. Okay, this is now super duper comfy. I mean, my hands can be on these side cushions, super comfortable. This new cushion is super comfortable. The only thing is this particular headpiece, it's comfortable, but it's not staying at its own place. So if it doesn't stay, then I'll probably go to the local tailor and get some kind of a tying mechanism on the behind of this so that I can tie this on the jhoola and it will stay in its place. But yeah, I think this was super comfy. The whole look is now much better. It's very comfortable and I'm loving the jhoola makeover. I think this makeover was a success. Everything looks almost new. It feels very comfortable. Every part of my body was under a cushion. I felt like I'm on a cloud. And the good thing is, if you see the Amazon listings, these things are available in various colors. Like there were so many colors. I chose red because I already had this back piece and everything goes well together because it had all the tones of red. You can select whichever color you like depending on your decor. This works for me. Yeah, everything else in my house is very neutral. So I wanted a pop of red in my jhoola because this is like a fun piece of furniture in my house. So I'm loving it. La 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 la. So here is the cost analysis. The seat is 350 rupees. The cushion fillers, a set of 3 is 450 rupees, and the cushion covers, which is in velvet, also a set of 3 is 500 rupees. So in total it comes up to 1300 rupees, which is a great price. So this is my balcony, and my balcony has this stool which I basically got from my parents' house. It's a very old stool and it is kind of damaged also. If you can see, there is, all the beading is also kind of broken. But I like this stool. It's very sturdy, it's very nice, and I keep it in my balcony. And as you all know that we Indians don't waste anything. We just recycle and reuse everything. So this seat that was previously on my jhoola is now going to be on this stool. And because it's a balcony, I think it fits perfectly. It looks pretty good. And kind of works here in the balcony setup. So I'm absolutely loving this new arrangement of my balcony to sit on this stool. It actually fits really well, looks pretty good. And yeah, this is my balcony with all my plants, and I can just sit here, enjoy in the evenings, have a great view, and yeah, relax. So this was a very small, cute little video on how to basically upgrade or maintain your jhoola if you have. Let me know in the comments if you like this video and if I should do more of these kind of videos. I keep sharing videos on home decor, home organization and DIY, so please subscribe to my channel. My videos are very fun, so you will not regret subscribing to them. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.